Hey, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to see how we can earn money creating static ads. Normally, you have an e-commerce, a brand, product, and you are creating static ads to promote it, and you are using the AI. Probably you are using it wrong. Because normally brands don't post images that look like an AI. So probably you have seen lots of AI images that look super false and that they look super AI-slop. If we go to different brands, for example, here in the meta ads library, you can go to it, going to facebook.com, JOS US library, and you can search by company, selecting all the ads, selecting in the country all, and then you can select for the brands that we are looking. For example, I'm looking here at Peter Paula, and if you look at the image that published, probably it's created with AI, but it doesn't look AI-slop. So that's one of the things that we have to take a look a lot. For example, here we have another brand, and here also we can see that probably these images could be perfectly AI created. But if we look into the images, they are much better. Simple AI-slop image generated. So I'm going to show you in this video how to be able to create all of this content. We'll look that it's super easy, and I'm promising you that we are going to create even better ads than the ones that these brands are doing. But not only the ad is important, we have to make sure that we are following some steps when we are creating content online and when we are posting in our social media accounts or when we are publishing it in our meta ads. So one of the things we have to check is that we need volume. So we need to post a lot of content, and we need to post content changing a little bit the thing. What do we have to change? We have to change the hooks. So the main sentence that is promoting our products. We have to change the visuals, and we have to change the offer. And we have to be testing at least 10, 20 new ads every week. Then it's super important that we do A/B testing, that we compare A and B. So A could be one ad, B could be another ad, and from that ad, we will get winners. And the winners are the ads that are getting the better ROI and getting the better return. And these are the ads that we should promote and keep. And the ones that don't become a winner from all of this content that we are creating, we should delete them. Make sure iterate. So we are going to be repeating every content. Probably a content doesn't scale or doesn't work this week. Maybe next month it's going to work. And we have to make sure that we are selecting the winners so we can iterate, scale, and repeat it every week. So this is super important. And to be able to create all this content, we are going to be using videotok. Videotok, it's a super platform that is going to let me create the video ads or static ads with a lot of quality. So we can see different brands that are already using the product. For Honda sample, we have this wall from Spain also that is a brand that it's earning more than 500 millions each year. There are several brands using this product, and it's quite nice. You can use it also from ChatGPT, Claude, and everything. And I'm promising you that you will create top quality content for your product. So in videotok, you will have lots of reference images like these ones, and we will be creating exactly this content. So let's go into videotok. But before going, let me say to you, videotok is offering a lifetime deal. So paying just once, you will have access forever to the platform, and you will be creating static ads every month. So this is a super nice deal if you don't want to be paying each month. If not, you can go to the pricing page and check all the pricing options they have and select the one that is better for you to start testing. Let's go inside the platform. Once we are inside the platform, we have lots of possible options. We have static ads, video ads, social, and UGC ads, all the AI models. We just have to select which is what we want to create. You can connect your social media accounts also. So you can connect here all your social media accounts, your Pinterest, your YouTube, your Instagram, your TikTok, your Facebook, and publish all the content that you create here in videotok. You can publish it also in the social media channel. So that's super nice. And then you can create agents connecting it to Codex, ChatGPT, and everything. You can check the rest of YouTube videos that we have and tutorials. We explain a lot on them in those videos. Also, they have a video editor. So we can go here to the video editor, create a video, and this will call an editor, and we can edit all the content that we have been creating. We can add it into the video editor and create more content. So that's also something super nice that they already have. For now, let me go to the templates, or here in the static ads, we are going to be looking for the templates we want to create for. It can be beauty, it can be startups, it can be jewelry, whatever we want. In this case, I'm going to go to templates, static ads, and I'm going to select jewelry. So here we have all these example generations. We can create content for our brand. So for example, let's create a content that is like this image. So I'm going to paste an image. We can upload the image of our product, and it can be this jewelry, for example. This is a fake one, but this can be your brand jewelry. So we can upload it here, we can click and upload it, or we can paste it. So doing copy and paste, we have it already here. Brand name is video change for my jewelry, and only with that I can click on generate, and it will generate it for me. So make sure you select the aspect ratio you want. In this case, let me select 3:4. This is the aspect ratio we want. And then also we can create brand kits also. It's also something super useful. But let me click on generate. Let's generate this content. And now it's generating. After a few seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes maximum, we will have the content generated for us. And the brand kit is something super useful because we can create personal brands. We can paste our product. It will get the logo, and so from our website or even the colors and everything. Let's create all the content at the same time. Great. Now, so if we go to your creations, we already have our content created, and it looks amazing. We can see our jewelry perfectly there. So that's super amazing. Also, it added videotok as the sentence. So I could go to the publish it into my Instagram. So here, this is going to be the captions for the Instagram post. Make sure you write here whatever you want that you want to post. But we can create more content because if we go back here, we said that we have to create a lot of volume. Oh, we have to look into the reference inspirations and continue doing the same. Right now, I have a new one. Brand name is videotok, and yeah, let's click on generate. Same. We can be looking at all the content that we like, so we can be checking different ones. Also, to do some A/B testing, what I could do is also select again the same post that we want to create content for. A little bit instruction. just super, super a little bit. You don't have to be super detailed. So do not post super mega hyper detailed because you don't need to. With VideoTok, it's super simple. You just select the reference inspirations that you want to create content and let the AI create the content of VideoTok. And it's something amazing. Also, you will have all the content here in my media section. Here we will have all the content that we have been creating. And again, we can open it from here, publish it into our social media accounts and everything. Once it's ready, we will be able to see it from here or from inside the template that we have created the content for. And that's something super nice because we can create a lot of content with super top following our guidelines and what we want to create. If you want to go also to the AI models, we have all of them here. So you can select any model you want. Let's say it's Grok Imaging Match. Here you can paste your instruction. And here you have to be super detailed because here we are not selecting any reference. Basically, we are just calling a model as we want. It's a little bit cheaper even also. But here we have to think a lot on which is the prompt that we want. We can also edit images. So here we can put our image also. So we can go directly to AI models also, but then you will have to be super detailed about the things you want to do. Make sure you are aware that in the AI models, you have to be super detailed. Here, if we go to any of the prompts that we have already here or the reference inspirations, you don't have to be super detailed and we can change all of this super easy. Great. So if we go back to my media, we have all the content already generated. You can open it and it looks amazing because here we have our jewelry. It's exactly as we said. And here, press for my jewelry. Here we have the video talk test. And again, we can publish this kind of content. And this looks amazing. For static ads that we are going to be publishing online or into our social media accounts, this works super well and looks much less AI slop. And this will look like a professional one has created it. So remember, we have been doing all of this with videotok.app. You have access also to a lifetime deal, or if you prefer, you can select one of the pricing plans that they are offering. Hope you leave us a comment in the video about which kind of content would you like to see, which things would you like that we show, and don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and check our other videos. See you in the next video.